Yo, ngare ako Douglas lando na unong mura. Krako papa ako Johnny Pautu unong mura. We both from Koromoro. Kara ko ngade miringo ako Daisy unong mura. Ay katare ako. Yo, rako eldest brother. Now ako Bruce unong mura. Bruce purungo unong mura. Yo, we've got one father but different mother, and we both from Koromoro. Aram rangitin idake playing when I was 12 with Bruce ka Johnny. Yo, like one alba poro arali maltun for my dad. Anga maraliga uning aliga bolu idake Bruce to mara Johnny araliga pick up un. When I was 13, first ngara ida kongan, made ko manjareo. Ngara first ida kongan, muna lagol nga, ngara start ida kongan. Yo manjareo na. After that ngara ida kongan dakang buwa miringo. Book makala permir from Koromoro. Some of them they buried at Lake Ibala, all unong mura tribe mala. I'm playing when I was 13. Yo, 14 mirara, palara start nara kungade mirengun ida kuangan. Yo, my mother's song. After that, tara kuara ida kuan wakku song ngatu nara ida kuan celu na second when I was 15. Pala start na rolling na playing nara ida kin. Yo.
Well, I'm standing.